Alrighty, truckers, here we go. This is this morning's weather forecast and road update for you guys, so here we go.
Going forward, we are watching for multiple days with potential severe weather. First one will be on Tuesday as an area low pressure dives into the plains, up to a slight risk from Dallas to Kansas City, Oklahoma City, and other locations in between for much of the central southern plains. Since it's a couple or a few days out, we have time to be weather aware, know your safe place to be before severe weather potentially develops, up to an enhanced risk in areas of the deep south, lower Mississippi River Valley, and on Thursday as well, from Charlotte to areas like Washington, D.C., Dover, Philadelphia. That'll be on Thursday. So that'll be something we'll be watching for in the long term. In the short term, what's causing all this will be an area low pressure that's about to make its way onshore into areas of Western California that's spinning the atmosphere with that low. Easily shown on water vapor imagery. We have some strong winds, high waves affecting the California coast, and we'll have some areas of coastal flooding near the Los Angeles area, perhaps, with some heavy rain there for the next couple of days. Heavy snow in the Sierra Nevada mountains. And we'll take any moisture we can get to hit the drought, but in the short term, we'll have some travel impacts there. Multiple red flag warnings, areas of the central southern United States as it's dry, windy there, up to a critical wildfire threat for the day today. Looking at high temperatures, some record heat will still be out there for areas of the western and southern United States. It's areas out east and west. We have the showers today. Also, some lake effect and system snow near the eastern Great Lakes today, as cold air still works there.
Okay, well, there's your weather update for this morning. Let's see now. Go on to the traffic deal here. Right now, the storm's still off the coast. It hasn't just starting to work its way onto the Olympic Peninsula right now. Passes are looking in pretty good shape. Not seeing any slowdowns there. Got a little bit of weather over there in eastern Oregon, but it looks like it's staying up in the higher country. It's not affecting I-84 there from Pendleton down to Ontario, at least not yet. Going over Donner Pass, looking pretty good. Not showing any slowdowns there. Not showing much in the way of snow there either. Getting some rain farther down, so that'll make traveling around the LA area a little bit interesting. Of course, when isn't it interesting trying to get around LA in a truck with those people, entitled individuals down there? Across the south, not much going on there. For the East Coast, working our way up the East Coast and stuff, not seeing any slowdowns there either, or much in the way of weather right now. And so that'd be that. Go and bring up my weather radar here once it loads. Oh, there we go. Alright, you can see the band of snow, or I mean snow, rain coming in off the Pacific, hitting up there around Nia Bay and Port Angeles area, stretching down towards, but not hitting Astoria and that area yet. I'll zoom in a little bit for you. So that's not really affecting us yet. And as you can see, let's see now, what's this? Special weather, winter weather advisory. Yeah, that you'd probably like to know about that. Okay, Donner Pass, Sierra Nevada's area there, looking at 5 to 10 inches of heavy wet snow above 7,000 feet. Locally higher amounts along the Sierra Crest. Below 7,000 feet, prepare for wet roads, and a mix of rain and snow accumulations with less than 4 inches on non-paved and elevated surfaces. And that's through 8 p.m. this evening. So, later today, you may or may not have to go and chain up. My bet is if it's even hinting of snow there on Donner Pass, you know, California just loves to throw the chain up law and have you go up over Donner Summit with iron on bare wet roads. You call it, say, BS on that? Well, I've done it, have had to do it, and also had to have the chains cut out of the trailer because they broke and got wrapped around in between the wheels. So, and I got a wind advisory going on down around the LA area. Let's see how that is. 15 to 30, gusts to 40 expected. So, expect to get knocked around a little bit there. Got wind advisory up there around the Lake Havasu, Lake Mead area. So if you're going across over the top of the Boulder Dam, be advised you might get knocked around. 20 to 30, gusts to 45. So if you're light, especially, slow down, watch your P's and Q's, hang on to that steering wheel firmly. And the wind advisory is going to be going on over by Flagstaff as well, from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. today. 15 to 25, gust to 45. So you're going to keep blowing around in the open areas, going across from Kingman all the way over to Winslow area by the looks of it. So be aware of that. And they got another high wind watch going on over there in West Texas, up there in the Panhandle area. 30 to 45, gusts to 60. So, and that's on tomorrow, on Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening. So, be aware of that if you're going to be going across on I-40. And looks like they got some winter weather advisory up there in the Denver area. Snow expected above 9,000 feet, 5 to 10 inches. And that's going to be midnight Monday into noon on Wednesday. So, if you're running across on 70 over Eisenhower, expect to chain up. So, and I'm not seeing any other weather alerts across the top plain states. Let's see what's going on down here around this east of Cincinnati. Special weather statement of elevated fire danger. Yeah, if you're going to be out barbecuing, make sure you cool your coals off before you dump them off there in the weeds. Wouldn't want to start any more wildfires. And what do we got going on up here? Winter weather advisory. Expect some lake effect snow is what I'm guessing here. It remains in effect until 2 p.m. this afternoon. Lake effect snow, 1 to 3 inches. So, that whole stretch there along the up there in Erie area. It looks like mainly just the shoreline of Pennsylvania. Looks like they got some snow sneaking in down here. Little scattered snow showers coming in across Ohio, the Akron and Canton area, Youngstown and stuff. But the winter weather advisories from Erie north and eastward up towards Buffalo, so be aware of that. So you'll be catching it there, and that stretch along between Erie and Buffalo. Be expecting snow. Special weather statement, upstate New York. Oh, heavy snow. And it's not seeing a time frame here. Just says band of heavy snow will affect Susquehanna area, North Wayne, Bradford counties. Winds 20 miles an hour can. Yeah. A quick coating of half an inch of snow. Since when it's half an inch a band of heavy snow? I could understand if they were saying heavy wet snow. But anyway. So, a half an inch. Not much, but what can you expect for the East Coast? Not seeing. Okay, what's this special weather statement? Oh, wildfires around the south of west of DC, Roanoke area, going down 81 and 85 into North Carolina. Yeah, that's. Yep, and all the way down to Atlanta area and south from there down to probably about Macon, I guess, maybe. Oh, past Macon. Alrighty. About halfway to state line from Macon. So, yep, big fire danger there on the east. So, like I say, if you're going to be dumping coals and stuff out there barbecuing, just make sure they're cold before you dump them in the weeds. But anyway, other than that, that's about all I've got for this morning. So, y'all take it easy. Be aware of the snow that's going to be coming in from the next storm. Severe weather, talking about tomorrow down south, around the Mississippi Valley area. So, if you're going to be in that area, be prepared to hunker down. Okie dokies. Well, this is Greg, and this is one of my days off, so you're getting a weather forecast, an update this morning. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later. Take it easy, stay out of the ditches, and don't do anything embarrassing to end up on Bonehead Trucker's YouTube page. Catch you all later.